Chowmein actually does not have a lot of ingredients. It's basically made using just flour, water, and a bit of color. As a Guyanese, the go-to quick and easy to make food, as we would call it, in most households is chow mein. Chow mein are Chinese stir-fried noodles, usually prepared with vegetables and meat, or solely vegetables. The dish is popular throughout the Chinese diaspora and appears on the menus of most Chinese restaurants locally. It goes without saying that chow mein is a popular dish here in Guyana, as any other country. With this information is your Learning Channel crew, who in this episode will explore with you the wonderful world of chow mein making. We begin where the flour is stored, because that's actually where the fun starts. So, the flour is stored in 30-ton silos, where it is then transported to the sifter through a screw conveyor system tube. It ends in a machine called a dosan, where the flour is mixed with water and color. Here, it is also pre-mixed, and at this point is where the color is usually added. It then heads to a premix, where the mixture is kneaded into a dough of the requisite moisture. After that, it heads to another machine that contains rotating shafts with fins that further knead the dough. These shafts rotate in a counterclockwise rotation. Heading off of that one, it heads to the sheeting roller, where the dough is compressed, and finally it is run through the laminating roller, which gives the dough its final thickness. The processed dough is then taken to a large knife with 2 giant blades, where the dough is cut and then processed into the pasteurizer, where any present bacteria is destroyed in that process. This also serves to further galvanize the dough as it is. From there, it is transported onto a conveyor to another knife. This knife, although larger, is responsible for cutting the dough into the required lengths used by the company. After that, it goes on to what is known as the cyclone conveyor, where the dough is dried by air and then transported to a dryer. It is this very process that gives the chow mein its strange netty formation. These are then conveyed into 12 sets of buckets that then release them onto the drying belt. The drying belt is a very long one, and it is here that the product is dried under controlled humidity and transported to what is known as the packaging bay. Here, the skilled personnel then complete the packaging according to specifications, ensuring that the chow mein is ready for distribution. So, although in the eyes of many, chow mein is seen as an easy food to cook, it is in no way an easy one to make.